Hello guys, and welcome back to Reality Rewind. Please like and subscribe, I absolutely appreciate it. So Ubaba Mseleku posted a picture of Unzulu, who is Vuyokazi's child, on his Instagram, and there are some people who noticed that that picture was a screenshot from Vuyo's stories, right? So now some people someone called Baba Mseleku a monitoring spirit because now it's like he is sort of stalking of someone. Called him a stalker because now it's like he's stalking of Vuyo to an extent yokuthi he now screen grabs ini ama pictures awabazukulu on Vuyo's stories. Because honestly, yes, that picture was screenshotted, because you can see there is a white line on top which shows that this picture was screenshotted and edited a bit. So I was wondering, could it be him who took the screenshot, or maybe it's Umpumelelo who took the screenshot? But however it means, whoever took the screenshot is stalking, because Baba Mseleku doesn't follow Uvuyo on Instagram, and Uvuyo doesn't follow Baba Mseleku. Umpumelelo doesn't follow Uvuyo on Instagram, and Uvuyo doesn't follow Umpumelelo. So now if you're not following someone but you are constantly checking what they're posting, that means you are stalking them, right? So another thing, some people were saying that, okay, yes, he screenshotted the picture from Vuyo's stories. What's wrong with that? Because anyways, umzukulu wakhe, he's the grandkid, right? So now I was wondering, okay, if now Ubaba Mseleku, if he's the one, because I don't know, maybe someone screenshotted and sent the picture to him, right? But I was asking myself, okay, are these people co-parenting well? Are they co-parenting healthy? Because Uvuyo has moved on. She is now a married woman, she's no longer with the Mselekos. But at the same time, Abunzulu Nomhlophekazi, they are still the Mselekos, right? So probably, definitely, they have to be co-parenting well, So I was asking myself, if they are co-parenting well, surely Uvuyo is sending pictures to them. Surely they are free to say, oh, can you please send us recent pictures of abazukulu sibabone, in this ganjalo. So, but now, the mere fact that personally, I don't have a problem with it. Baba Mseleku uyamstalk Uvuyo, or akamstalki, or uyascreenshota ama pictures abonzulu. I don't have a problem with that. But what I'm asking myself is, do they still have a smooth communication? Okay, can you see the kids at such times, bavumelane, and may you please send us pictures of abazukulu sibabone, because if they are co-parenting well, surely he should be able to ask for pictures than screenshotting. Of which it's okay to screenshot, it's 100% okay to screenshot, but I'm just saying it raises eyebrows now ukuthi liyawancisha yini ama pictures, I'm just asking. And another thing is because I was saying if Uvuyo is co-parenting, it means I believe it means he's co-parenting with Umayeni noBaba Mseleku, because from what we see on Ingane Zesithembu and everything, Umpumelelo doesn't strike me as someone who would co-parent well. He strikes me as someone who would maybe forget he has kids, and then remember sometimes, I have kids, I'd forgotten. The reason why I'm saying that is because remember when they were shooting Ingane Zesithembu, he went to see Utirelo. I think it was in February, and Utirelo was saying that we last saw Umpumelelo last year in October. And we all knew ukuthi the reason why uMpumelelo went to see uTirelo ngalo February was because they were shooting. Literally, a production team took him to Tirelo's wood ukuthi ayobona uTirelo so that they shoot content. So if it wasn't for a content, when was he gonna see his child? So that's why he doesn't strike me like a present co-parenter, you know. So if Uvuyo is co-parenting, it means he's co-parenting with Umayeni. Maybe lo baba Mseleko, because uMpumelelo angifuni nje ukumbala, angifuni. Anyways, I'm hoping they have a healthy relationship with his ex-in-laws, you know, just for the sake of abantwana. Anyways, thank you so much guys for watching. Sorry guys, because I did not post the picture of Unzulu that Ubaba Mseleko allegedly screenshotted from Vuyokazi stories, because I don't like to post kids on my channel. I always try to avoid. If you see a picture of a child on my channel, it's a mistake. I didn't put. Otherwise, I don't dare. I don't post people's kids on channel. If there's something interesting to talk about, I'll just talk, but I will not post them. If you want to see the picture, you can go on Instagram. Ubaba Mseleko, it's still there on one of his posts. Anyways, thank you so much guys for watching. I'll see you on my next one.